India mi ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Long shisha ka khubor ka basngau shirkhay basngau lingo ha ka baladan uwayu Briew bum shimla ithu kerteng but shamla tip ha ka badan Ngut ki Kynthei ki blasha pinthut ya ka jingya linti ki jongki ka baman kasngi ha ba ki let banya linti ban let shaklas but ki laong rupu uju Kren de ki Ktien Khlem Akor ya ka rinyeng ka jongki kani kelaja ka por lai bije no phaisngi hajan ka petrol pump Anjali kini ki Ngut ki Kynthei ki dei baladan post nam karta bikili klas cherpi college ka badan halaban ha ka jingi Kren bat kilat pathai khubor ki laya thu ba kani ka jingja kam dei shu ka baja tang men ta kasngi dei ka belaja man ka por ha ka biki jia lenti banet klas bat kila ong rubu uni ubri ju phongjan re on dala poi kini ha kani ka ju laya thu uju lao no e ka jan pat pin I da Kamet ka Lyngkhuid.
Tell us about how you feel walking around from this area every day.
I feel unsafe because today like at this moment we saw one guy over there. He was showing us, he was fully naked and he was doing such stupid things. And we want protection, right? That's it. Of course, not at all. We don't feel safe. Like if he is drug addict also now, we should put him there.
Is it only in this area which you face some?
Yeah, first not only today. We saw him so many days.
Every morning?
Yeah, every morning.
Continuously, he's been doing this same shit again and again. So we as a group, we are not safe at all here again. So we need protection. As we stood up today, we told that traffic police and all to just come and see that particular person. Okay, from today he ran away. Next day he will do the same shit. So we really want protection. As a group, we are really not safe walking around. Okay, it's a daytime. What if it's a night time? He might do anything. So we are not safe at all. Yeah.
How many days have you guys faced this problem?
It's literally been
1 week.
Yeah, 1 week.
1 week. And nobody does anything to it?
No,
Have you guys filed any complaint to the police?
not yet.
No, because we are in a hurry of going classes every day. So we don't have that thinking of going to the police station and filing that complaints and stuff. So that's what. Every girl is seeing the same shit, but they don't have the courage to tell. But we do. We feel insecure. We do.
Do you think?
Yeah, obviously they should.
What are the things that you want?
They should provide, cops all around. Okay, one particular cops is enough. Particular cops, so that we girls will be safe. Not only working in a day, obviously in the night also. Like many girls they are working as a part-time job. Evening classes are also there, so they will be like coming by walking, so they will be safe all around. So that's why they should provide cops all around. And in this area, especially this area is very dangerous. Like we don't see people because they are hiding behind the bushes. They might do.
And we have
some
faced
stuff.
this problem so many times.
In which area?
In this area only.
Only in this area?
Only in this area.
Like, how many people have you seen in this area? One.
Yeah. One day he was like, I saw the guy. We were all like, we friends were walking from here. He was like not behind the bushes. He was there on the
Bus stand.
bus stand. Oh, he was doing that shit. He was like, he was looking us at a creepy way. He was doing the shit. It was very shameful to see that. Very much. So obviously we need the protection.
How scared do you feel like when guys like that look at you in a creepy way like that? How do you feel?
We literally feel unsafe. Unsafe because we as a girl we have to look around each and every day. Day we have to look around. We feel very unsafe. We feel like actually the police they should do something for the girls because this type of matter is very important to do such stuff.
Can you maybe describe us a little bit on how the person looked like?
He was
fair, tall. He was not that much old. He was middle-aged, kind of middle-aged. Plus, I don't know. He always wear white shirts and jeans pants. Always, okay. Might be he sleep all around here behind the bushes.
Earlier you said that
If I'm not wrong, he used to sleep over there.
earlier you also said that he was naked, no? You
Yeah.
find that
Yeah,
guy
yeah.
naked.
He was naked.
But
he was,
later on, when the police like follow him, he was wearing white t-shirt and blue pants.
So these are the only area which you guys
Yeah.
face a lot of things. So now walking around from here was not safe.